Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a knockoff Starbucks Vanilla Bean Frappuccino, and these are the ingredients that we have right here. To the left side you're going to see a blended iced beverage vanilla bean mix. Guys, this right here, that's money. That's what's going to make it taste like the original Starbucks recipe. It is very difficult to find that, but I did finally find it, and I'm telling you, this right here is going to make a huge difference. And then we're going to have some powdered sugar. We're just going to use a little bit of that, and the powdered sugar is definitely to taste, so you can use less or you can use more. And then we're going to have some ice that we're going to add into the Ninja right here. I am doing a single serving, so I decided to use my Ninja blender, but you can use a regular blender as well. That will work fine. And then of course we have some vanilla extract. I also have some milk here. You can use a non-dairy product if you like. Soy would be good, oat would be good. Whatever type of milk or non-dairy products you like to use would also work for this recipe as well. And then we also have some whipped cream topping for the top. All right guys, so let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna add about 8 ounces of milk, or whatever liquid you like to use. Any type of non-dairy, like I said, will work as well. So we're gonna add about 8 ounces of milk to the Ninja cup here. And then I like my Frappuccino a little bit on the thicker side, so I have some ice cubes. I'm gonna add probably about 7 ice cubes here to the milk. So I decided to move this around a little bit just so my arm won't be all the way over there. So we have the milk in, and now guys, we're gonna I add about, and let me show you this again, because if you can find this, it's Da Vinci blended ice beverage mix vanilla bean. If you can find this or something similar to this, I would highly recommend that. But there are some recipes where they don't use this mix, they just use the milk, and then they use the vanilla extract and the ice. And I've seen some videos where they use some vanilla creamer, so you can kind of play around with this. But I actually really do like this recipe, and I actually had some family members try it, because really what I didn't mention is that this is actually a request from my niece. My niece Jasmine, she doesn't like coffee, and so she said, "Aunt Sharron, if there's a video that you can make with a beverage that does not have coffee in it." So this is what I came up with, and so I added 1 scoop in there, and now I'm gonna add about a half of another scoop. And this is also to your liking. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit, because sometimes I have a hard time getting this top on the Ninja if I am overfilling the cup. So this is a teaspoon of powdered sugar that we're gonna go in. Again, that's to taste. You can add more, you can add less. It just depends on what you like. And then of course, the second star of the show is the vanilla extract. And most of you know that I do not measure my vanilla extract most of the time, but I kind of eyeball it. So I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon there, right in the mixture. And that is all the ingredients. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the top on, so we can go ahead and get that mixed up. All right guys, so I finally got that top on. I don't know why I always have problems with that. Do you guys have a Ninja? Do you also have problems sometimes getting that lid to go on correctly? I don't know, it could be me. Don't judge me. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. It's gonna get a little bit loud, so I'm gonna try to do it as quickly as possible. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It does help me out, guys. And also, are you following me over on Instagram? I'm under Solo Dolo Cooking on Instagram, and my Facebook is under Sharron Duval for now. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and get this blended. Here we go. So I just did a couple different pulses, and it does not take long. I actually do like the Ninja when I don't have problems getting the top on, but overall I do really like the Ninja. I'm gonna grab a spoon because I want you guys to see how the consistency is on this here. So that was about 7 pieces of ice. That's the consistency, and that's probably about the consistency that they serve it up in Starbucks. I think that's going to be okay. If you want it thicker than this, just go ahead and add some more ice. So if you're not using like cubes of ice, I would say if you're using just like a bag of ice that you buy from the store, you want to probably fill this cup up just about halfway. I'm going to wipe this down a little bit. You probably just want to fill the cup up about halfway, because this is actually a 16-ounce cup right here that comes with the Ninja. So now we're gonna go ahead and fill up our cup. So we're gonna swap that out. I wish I had a Starbucks cup to put this in to make it look more official, but it's all good. I just made a big, huge mess. All right. So that's actually perfect. That actually is the perfect amount for this little glass that I have here. If you did have a Starbucks cup, that it would probably be a good fit or good amount for the 16-ounce grande size. So just keep that in mind. So now the finishing touches here is going to be some whipped cream, of course. And Jazzy, I hope you are watching this video, because I did make this basically from your request. All right, guys, here we go. Woo! And I think just for good measure, and just because Jazz, when she orders this from Starbucks, she gets caramel in the cup, and then she also gets some caramel drizzle on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some caramel on top in honor of my niecey Jasmine. Yes, look at that girl. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, and so now I'm just gonna stick a little straw in there. And that, my friends, is a Starbucks Vanilla Bean Frappuccino with caramel drizzle on top. Guys, if you make this recipe, let me know what you think of it. Go ahead and leave comments or suggestions down in the description box. I will put measurements down there as always. And guys, if you have some recipes that you would like for me to make, go ahead and put that at the bottom in the comment section, and I will see if I can get those out to you. I have had some people ask for low carb or no carb recipes, so I am working on that. And I want to thank you guys again for watching Solo Dolo Cooking. Guys, go ahead and share this recipe, share this video. If you know people who like easy, quick cooking, guys, this is the channel that they want to go ahead and subscribe to. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.